This is just to give me an idea of how we're going to do this, and then basically we've got one folding camper, and that's how it goes down. There you go. Both roof sections are up. So over there is going to be the seating. The windows go in here. That's just to let everybody know who's done it. Air vents go in here. A crazy dog chasing shadows. So there's no panels in the sides yet. But what I'm going to do now is just show you around the camper that we built. Follow me, I'll show you around the outside of the camper. And here we have de la resistance.
Have you had any interest from anybody on the campsite regarding the Pennliner?
Well, I'm glad you should ask me that, because the amount of people that have been coming up to us and stopping us, and when they saw how quick it went up as well, they're just fascinated.
Mark should replicate his Pennliner because it's a fantastic camping machine.
Is it called the English Pennliner?
English Pennliner.
I will have a look. Pennliner. Ta-da, thank you. Bye.
You want to say something about the windows?
Been upcycled, and we got the caravan window at a good price. We got two. It's just very handy. You can open the window if it gets too hot in here, so you don't need air conditioning.
The elevation is about 75,000 feet in the air. And we're doing good considering we don't need oxygen. It takes 3 weeks to get up here, 4 weeks if you stop for breakfast or something. And yeah, so as you can see, we've made it to the touchstone, which is the highest point of Breen Down. I'll just give you a quick pan round, watching the sun in my eyes, and as you can see, beautiful scenery all around me. Oh, naughty swine, go on, off, go on, away. Go on, nothing for you here.